What's the main advantage of trading robots? They're not human. They don't get tired, don't make mistakes, don't make impulsive, emotional decisions. What's the main problem with trading robots? They're not human. They're inflexible, follow strict algorithms, can't adapt on the fly, and might miss genuinely important factors like holidays or sudden events that completely shift market dynamics. For a few years, we researched, compared, tested, and finally found the killer feature that helps our automation work seamlessly like a machine, but think adaptively like a human. And not just any human, like a smart trader with years of experience. Of course, I won't reveal all the nuances of our formula in this video. That actually could take a lot of hours. But I'll explain why 9 of our 10 trading bots train user deposits long term, and the key differences between a dumb bot and our intelligent automation. Hello guys, I'm Charles, founder and CEO of Bullbridge. In this video, I'll tell you about the price action method that forms the foundation of our product. But let me start with a question rather than an answer, because judging by the comments, most of my subscribers are just discovering the world of trading. What's the main point for beginning traders? You don't understand what's happening. When you first open a trading screen, it feels like you have stumbled into a nuclear reactor control panel. Jagged lines, charts, indicators, red, green, everything is confusing and contradictory. That's when the temptation hits to just delegate the routine work to someone who gets it. And of course, at the top of the search results, you'll find generous souls who'll drag you into the paid Telegram channels for signals or sell you some hyped up bot for $30 to trade for you. Either way, the result is actually the same. You lose twice. Money from your deposit and money paid to scammers. Price action is primarily a method that cuts through all the noise and lets you focus on what truly matters. Just price and how it moves. Price action means reading the market behavior through the purest indicator, price itself. Forget about 10 windows with RSI, MACD, and other alphabet soup indicators. You're looking at what buyers and sellers are doing right now. In our case, it's not even you looking, it's our robot trained in private research lab and specialized fintech datasets. Those who watched the previous video carefully know what I'm talking about. The genius of our formula was teaching our robot not to follow templates blindly, but to understand how price moves using price action methodology. The key is to think ahead. This is exactly what separates true professionals from rookies waiting for signals. Moreover, experienced traders understand that beyond financial factors, price movement depends on external elements like time frames, news background, and calendar events. Technically, teaching a robot to understand markets like veteran trader is nearly impossible. But through combining settings, we've developed a balanced system that adapts to the market conditions, seeks the most effective entry scenarios, and executes profitable trades. Even with our proprietary tech and the powerful resources of my ex-employer, a transnational hedge fund, it took us actually 2 years to achieve acceptable results. Let me show you how this works. This allows us to profit from any market scenario. Our automation works on both counter-trend and trending movements. You can see the indicators constantly moving with price. This is market understanding in action. Thanks to flexible adaptive algorithms, our robot can execute long trend following trades and short counter trend positions. The system can also hedge by opening both buy and sell positions. Again, everything runs through multiple types of filters: news filter, calendar events filter, and so on. Where ordinary robots would fail to adjust in time and drain the deposit, our automation acts with the elegance of a professional trader. For example, during strong news events that could shift the entire market dynamic, our system doesn't just close positions because it deeply understands the market and doesn't panic, allowing the trade to hit the tax profit zone. This is true price action understanding. Yes, the price action system is complex. So beyond trading positioning, our formula includes risk management systems, calendar event processing for weekends and holidays, multi-timeframe analysis. These are just a few of dozens of filters and fine-tuned settings. Does our formula have weaknesses? Only one: it's cautious. During pullbacks, it doesn't try to recover losses as quickly as possible or double the investments like dumb martingale-based robots do. That's why we don't promise you $10,000 a day like YouTube Screamer. This is the flip side of proper risk management. Our formula is designed for stable, long-term profit. But listen, if you send us a message, we connect the automation and you just go about your normal life. Work, hang with friends, spend some time with the family, go on vacation, even sleep. Meanwhile, the system works around the clock, steadily building your deposit. You know what? I've seen the guys who understand absolutely nothing about the trading, but they connected our robot and months later withdrew enough to cover a week's vacation in Thailand. Here are their results, by the way. After seeing this, I'm so confident in our product that I'm offering you a chance to test our automation for free. Click the link in the description, join our community, and send us a message if you want to start. This video concludes the Bullbridge Origin series. It actually took 3 videos to tell how a few passionate people made something new in trading because they weren't afraid to think outside the box. As you've probably figured out, there's no secret to success. In trading, like life, success comes from 2 factors: circumstances plus the ability to spot the opportunity and seize it. Now you have a chance to write your own story. The most powerful trading tool available online is already in your hands. The ball's in your court now. Take action. And definitely send me your results in DMs and leave your comments under this video. And trust me, we're just getting started. See you soon.